Hello everyone, it's Ali again, and in this two-part tutorial I'll go through the terrain plugin for 3dsMax. So I'll just show you guys here what it is. So it allows you to create a quick and easy terrain with a bunch of parameters that you can edit to your liking to suit your either your site that you're trying to replicate or a new whole topography. Really up to you. It's available till Max 2021 as well, and we'll be using the demo version, the trial version, because I think you do have to buy it. So this will be the first part of the video, and the second part of the video I'll show you guys how the camel importer works, where we are going to import from Google Earth using a Google Earth camel file, and to get more realistic in world terrains and topographies. So yeah, without talking about it too much, I'll hop on 3dsMax. So you have to download that, and then you have to extract the necessary files outlined in the description of the site into your plugin folder. So you can go and do that in your own time. I've already got it here, so I'll just start with terrain. So it's in your standard primitives in your create panel. So head down, click on terrain again and click on your viewport so you can download the terrain for you. And here you can adjust the size, length, width, height, everything you need. You can adjust the zoom. I'll go zoom for most of it just to show what it has. Already loaded up. That's what it has. You can set the scale, the size of it. You can add contours. You're going to get to see when it comes to 100, as you can see here. Just make this a little bigger so we can see more. Yeah. I'll make it higher so we can get the contours, see the contours better. And then we added some contours. Now we want to see the effects of the sea level. So head over to your modifier panel, and this will already be selected. So it has the same amount of parameters as well, same parameters. So now we're going to add the sea level. So first thing, we're going to get this move map thing, which we can use whenever. If it doesn't matter if you've edited all your parameters or you haven't, you can always use this drag, move map function, which is pretty good. So this is the sea and that's the land. Pretty yucky color for the sea. We'll change that later. I'll show you guys how to change it. So I'm gonna add the sea level, and as you can see, it's getting a little darker, and it's taking up the land. Which is a problem. We are facing climate change these days, and the effects of it, we shall see soon, if we're not doing anything. But yeah, so this all happens when you have high sea levels. The land goes away. But anyway, let's be positive and optimistic. That's how this function works. So you can head down and you can make it look a little more complex. So go on size and change your add edge spaces where you can adjust the number of segments to have more detailed topography. You can get grid, same thing. It allows, it's just different ways, complexities you can work with, really. And you got this this budget thing where you can set the amount of segments and polygons. You can max it. Let's keep it on 1 for the segments fit. Just change a few things here maybe, and you can add a cap to your thing. To your mesh. Really up to you, and you can set the color of it. So let's say add it, and then just get rid of the edge faces so you can see better. see it's got like the layer. You can choose to have that or not, or you can change the color of it, or you can make it, blend into what you have to your existing typography colors. Scroll down and you can change the colors even further. So depending on the height, contour, you can change the colors. So let's say this is the highest I have. Let's say that orangey part, I want to make it a black or something, or I want to make it more white. It's really, really up to what you want to do, really, It's pretty cool. You've got other, other parameters you can edit as well. So yeah, that's kind of really how it works. It's quite easy to use. It's not hard. It's not, it doesn't have a steep learning curve. It can be useful in like generating quick terrains that you want to, experiment on or edit. So yeah, and to work on. So in that regard, it's pretty good, and I hope it's useful for you guys. And in this next video, I'll show you how to use the KML importer for this plugin. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.